Hello, creative friends. It's Sarah here. Today, I'm excited to share a new festive project with you, the Facet Snowflake. This is the second design in my new holiday collection. I wanted to create something that looks stunning, but it's relaxing to stitch. This project is 100% beginner friendly. We are strictly using the straight stitch today. No complicated knots or weaving required. It's perfect if you want to make a quick handmade card for a loved one or a unique ornament for your tree. If you want to stitch this yourself, I have a treat for you. I'm giving away the pattern for the Facet Snowflake and its partner, Prism Snowflake, completely free to my email list. You have until January 1st, 2026 to sign up and grab the files before they become paid listings. You can find the sign up link right down in the description. I've also linked all my favorite supplies below, including the specific cardstock I recommend and my popular all for paper embroidery. And if you want your ornaments to look professional from all angles, make sure to watch my tutorial on how to cover the backs of your works. I've linked that for you as well. Thank you so much for stitching with me today. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next pattern. Until next time, keep on stitching.